This video I am showing you how you can fix YouTube sign out option not available in 2021. So firstly when you tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then you can tap on this arrow in the pointing to the right side. Then you can see all the list of your accounts, and here you can find there is no sign out option. So what you need to do to find the sign out option is you have to firstly open up your settings of your device, whether you are on the Android or iOS. Scroll down, then tap on the apps. After that, tap on the manage apps, and here you have to search for the YouTube. Then tap on the YouTube option, and here you have to tap on the storage, and in the storage tab you can see the clear data option in the most bottom. So it varies from the device to device, so you have to find your clear cache or clear all data option. Then tap on the clear data, and here you can find the clear all data option. Tap on the clear all data, then tap on the OK, and it will delete all the files, all the files and all your memories. So that's it, at how you can do this. And now it is will refresh your YouTube app. So when let's see, I again open my YouTube app. So when you open your YouTube app, then it took some time, but when it loads you have to tap on your profile in the top right corner, then tap on this arrow in next to your username, and here you can find the sign out option in the bottom left corner of this box. So to sign out you can simply tap on the sign out, and now it will sign out from you from the YouTube. So that's it, at how you can sign out uh, on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.